Hi friends, this video shows how to change screen resolution to HD, Full HD or 4K. Go to settings, select settings icon from top. Go down, select display and audio settings. Go down, select HDMI resolution. So here you can see auto. By default this would be auto. If we select auto, set-top box will automatically select best resolution for the connected monitor. So here you can see set-top box automatically selected this resolution for the connected monitor or connected TV. So if you want to manually select one resolution, you can disable this auto. After that, let me select HD. See, now I have changed resolution to HD. This is the HD resolution. So let me change this to Full HD. Then select keep changes and done. After that, if you enable auto, set-top box automatically go to the best resolution. See, this is the best resolution for this connected TV. So this way we can change resolution. We can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.